Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the most luscious recipe for a dhaba style chana masala dal. Now dhabas are roadside eateries that are renowned in the north of India and also some other parts of India for their luscious, rich, super comforting food. And this particular dal hits a real spot. I've also got some tips and tricks coming up for you on how to speed things up when you're cooking the chana lentils. So if that sounds good to you, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a post from me and also support my work. And then let's go. Chana lentils can be notoriously difficult to cook, so adding a pinch of bicarb of soda and some warm water and leaving it soaking for 2 hours will help. The cooked lentils go into this masala. I have a medium fried onion, some bay leaf, ginger garlic, cumin, coriander, chili powder, and turmeric. When that's all nicely mixed through, you add fresh tomatoes, and then when it's pulpy, some fresh coriander. Smells incredible. Rinse the lentils and get them bubbling with some cold water skimming off any foam. You'll be amazed at how quickly this cooks. About 25 minutes, I would say. Pop that in, add salt, hot water to loosen the lot if you need to. Now the ghee tadka. A pinch of hing in hot ghee, 2 dried red chillies, some cumin seeds, and a little bit more chili powder if you like. You have to work really quickly so it doesn't burn. Now pour that lusciousness over the dal. And now you have it. Into the thali bowl it goes. Please do check for salt. Utterly gorgeous dal. It's still a bit hot, so I'm going to give it a quick taste. Guys, that is so good. I could literally bathe in it. Oh, delicious. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and see you here again for the next recipe. Bye now.